Hello everyone, I'm from JYL. Today I continue to introduce to you a caps Eyelet sewing machine with super intelligent and labor saving. It is a full automatic caps Eyelet sewing machine, delicate appearance and multiple functions. This machine is mainly suitable for sport caps, shoes and clothes. It adopts servo motor with precise control. The machine has a winding thread and an automatic paper rolling function. Can sew high precision chrysanthemum eyelet program, built for stitches. The electronic control system can edit the size and density of chrysanthemum eyelet according to the process requirements. One worker can operate multiple sets. It can save labor and save time. Remember to give me a like and subscribe to my channel.
See you next time.